Hello and welcome to another In.It Apparel tutorial. Today we'll be going over how to place an order the best way with In.It Apparel, or how to even order a custom cut garment. So without wasting any time, let's get right into it. In.It Apparel was started in 2015 with one goal in mind, which is to create a fashionable alternative to the stock standard garments that you would find on the market. We've got a super large variety of over 150 garments available, and also offer custom cut garments made to your specifications with a minimum order of only 50 units. Combined with our manufacturing, we also have top of the range DTG printing facilities, allowing us to do high resolution full color prints onto our own garments or onto your supplier garments. So if you're running a clothing brand or need some merch for your business, we're here for you. So how do you order? Since there are so many different kinds of clients with varying needs, there are a few different ways that you can actually order. If you're looking for just one or two items for something for yourself, we'd highly recommend checking out In.It Express, which is our retail service, where you can get a custom printed shirt or hoodie or tote bag within a very short amount of time. And we've already made a video, I will link to that in the description, on how to use that service. In.It Express is also great for if you want to make a sample before doing a large run of merch, but you don't want to have to wait for it. For larger orders, we can head over to www.initapparel. Let me spell this correctly. .co.za. Now, before you can actually add items to your cart or see the prices of different garments, you'll have to log in or register. So I've already got an account, so I'm just gonna log in. Great, so now that I'm logged in, we can start shopping. So let's look. I would like some men's t-shirts. Oh, so many to choose from. I do have a favorite though, which is, let's go for this new men's premium undercut t-shirt. Right, so now that we're on the shirt, you can see all the specifications here, including the price and all the different color combinations you can choose. So let's select a large, and let's say I want 10 of those. You can add another size if you want to split between sizes, so you don't have to do every size sort of individually. And then we can click Start Designing. So here you can add your team name, you can add some text, or you can add a design. So you can upload a image, any image that you want to use, or you can use any of the sort of stock designs that we have. Let's see, let me go for the bulldog, because I like bulldogs. You can place that anywhere you want, on the front or the back. And then you can also use the remove background feature if you need to, but we don't need to do that here. You can rotate your image, you can increase its size, you can decrease the size, you can move it around, you can center it, like you can do all the things to put it exactly where you want it onto your shirt. Then, when you're happy with your design, you hit buy. You can either check out or you can continue shopping. But from here on out, the checkout process is just like any other online store you've ever used. You just fill in your details and your order will be sent to you. Now, if you don't want to order like this, you can also email our team directly to sales@initapparel.co.za. We'll have that email linked in the description as well. But here's a couple of useful tips for if you want to order through email. And there's basically only one piece of advice here, and that's be as specific as you can with your first mail. Like if you send us a message that says, hey, how much is a shirt with a print? That's a very difficult question to answer because we don't know how many prints, we don't know what size the prints are, we don't know what shirt you're talking about, we don't know what quantities you're going for because larger quantities brings the price down. There's so many factors, so the more info you can put in the first email, the quicker we can get that first quote to you. So if you're ordering, and let's say you're ordering 5 t-shirts that each get a print on the front and back, put in your request, which t-shirt you want. You can go check out on the website which shirts you'd like. If you want some advice on which fits to choose, of course we are here to help you, but the more info the better. So let's say you want MFT01s, then you can put in your email that you want 5 MFT01s, 2 of which are small, 2 of which are medium, 1 of which is large, each of them with a front print that's about A4 in size and a small back print on the neck. If you put all of that in your email, we can get you your quote straight away Whereas if you only put in, hey, how much is this shirt? It would take like 5 or 6 emails before we actually get to the point where we can send you a quote. So this is just, again, our sales team is always here to help you out as much as they can and as much as you need. But this is just if you want your order to go as smoothly and as quickly as possible, put as much info in the first email as you can. Now, if you can't find the garment you're looking for, you have an idea for some strange cut for a hoodie. Maybe you want a hoodie with an angled bottom and a slit down the side or something like that you can't find anywhere else, we can help you with that. That would fall under our custom cut garment service, which is super easy to use as well, but there are a couple of details that are worth knowing. Because of all the time and effort that it takes to make a custom cut garment, there's a minimum order of 50 units, because otherwise it just doesn't make sense for us to do it at all. Whereas on any other garments we have available, there's no minimum order, so you can get 1 unit of basically anything. But if it's a custom cut, there's a minimum order of 50 units. So how this works is you get in touch with your idea or your design. This could be a drawing that you designed to your specifications, it could be a reference photo, it could be a sample garment as well. It really doesn't matter as long as we know exactly what you want. If you get in touch with that, we'll have a look at it and make sure you know whether we can do it or not. And then if we can do it, you'll pay a small deposit, and then after your deposit's paid, we'll start the sampling process. So we'll make you a sample and send it to you wherever you are. And as soon as you're happy with that sample, we'll continue and go produce the full run. Now you might be thinking that 50 units sounds like a bit much. The thing is, the industry standard for this kind of service is 5,000 units, which puts it out of reach of most people who would actually want and need this service. Which is why we've done everything we can to keep this minimum order as low as possible. This is quite a simplified overview, because if we went into detail about every single little thing, we'd be here for about 4 hours at least. So as usual, if you have any questions, please leave us a comment in the comment section down below. We will answer each and every single one. Please subscribe for more like this in the future and give us a like if you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching.